SAP Kernel. Now you want to know about SAP Kernel. The kernel is not a software component. The kernel is the runtime environment to run the software component. What is kernel? So anyone ask in interview or anyone ask what is SAP kernel? Means kernel is the runtime environment to run the software components. That means whatever software, SAP software you install in your system, that software is run based on kernel only. Kernel providing runtime environment to run the software means that software work properly based on kernel only. The kernel depends on the database and operating system in use. The kernel is available for several operating system and databases. So every operating system, every database, different kernel files is available. That means Windows operating system kernel file is different. Linux operating system kernel file is different. So HANA database kernel file is different. MS SQL Server database kernel file is different, like that. That means before installation, first of all, you want to know on which operating system you are installing that software, on which database. Based on, you want to download the kernel file. Select your proper operating system and select the database and download the kernel files. Kernel is the runtime environment to run the software. Whatever software you install, that software run properly based on kernel only. Now, you want to know this is kernel. Non-Unicode kernels is there. Okay. So here two types of kernels is there. Kernels, two types is there. Okay. Non-Unicode kernel, Unicode kernel, like that, different types of kernels is available. So first of all, you want to know. Okay. This is non-Unicode kernel. This is non-Unicode kernel. Non-Unicode kernels are SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit. SAP kernel 722 ES2 64-bit. SAP kernel 722 ES3 64-bit. SAP kernel 753, SAP kernel 754. So non-Unicode kernels, in shortcut you called as NUC. Now this is the Unicode kernels. SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit UC. UC means Unicode. SAP kernel 722. Here you saw. Here there is no UC. So here particular they're telling it is Unicode kernel like that. So SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit UC. UC means Unicode kernel. NUC means non-Unicode kernel. SAP kernel 722 ES2 64-bit UC. SAP kernel 722 ES3 64-bit UC. SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 754 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 777 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 777, okay. SAP kernel 789 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 793 64-bit Unicode. So that means in kernel we have two types of kernels is there. Non-Unicode kernel is there, Unicode kernel is there. So 722, 745, 745, 749, 753, 754, like that, different kernel versions is there. Okay. Actually, 745, 749 also is there. They expired. Nowadays, this kernel versions only is available. Now, SAP S/4HANA 1511. Suppose you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511 version. Which kernel version is supported? 753 kernel. SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode. Means when you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511, only this kernel version only is supported. SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1610, two kernel versions is available, 753, 754. So when you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1709, two kernels is supported, 753, 754. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1809, 777 kernel is supported. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 1909, 777 kernel is supported. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2020, 789 kernel, 793 kernel is supported. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2021, 789, 793 kernel is supported. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2022, when you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2022, 789 kernel version and 793 kernel version is supported. When you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2023, only 793 kernel is supported. When you want to install SAP NetWeaver 7.5, already you know in NetWeaver, only NetWeaver 7.5 version is there, remaining all are expired. When you want to install SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP kernel 753, SAP kernel 754 is available. When you want to install NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, when you want to install NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, kernel 753, kernel 754 is available, Unicodes. When you want to install NetWeaver ASAP 7.51, kernel 753, kernel 754 is supported. When you want to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2, already you know in SAP Solution Manager, all releases expired. Only SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is there. When you want to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2, SAP kernel 753 non-Unicode, SAP kernel 753 Unicode, SAP kernel 754 non-Unicode, SAP kernel 754 Unicode. Here they did not mention Unicode like that. They did not mention, means it is non-Unicode. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is 740 release. Up to 740 release only non-Unicode is supported. So that's why here SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is supported non-Unicode kernels. 753, 754 non-Unicode, Unicode kernel is supported. SAP ECC 6.0 EHP8 is 753, 754 Unicode kernel. SAP ECC 6.0 EHP7 is 740 release. That's why here 753, 754 Unicode, non-Unicode kernel is supported. SAP ECC 6.0 EHP6, SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit, SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit Unicode. That means non-Unicode, Unicode is supported. SAP ECC 6.0 EHP5, SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit, SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit Unicode, SAP kernel 722 ES3 64-bit, SAP kernel 722 ES3 64-bit Unicode. So these are the kernels is supported. So depending on your product version, you want to know which kernel version is supported. So where you check which kernel version is supported? In PAM you check. Before installing in company, by using product availability matrix, PAM, they check which kernel version is supported for installing this product version like that. So that particular version you want to download before installing the SAP software. Without kernel software, SAP software installation is not possible. And after installation also, based on kernel only, that software will be work. That's why kernel is very, very important. So in kernel, non-Unicode kernel is there, Unicode kernel is there. So up to 740 release only, non-Unicode kernel is supported. From 750 and higher versions, non-Unicode kernel is not supported. So 750 and higher version, only Unicode kernel only is supported. So in kernel, different versions is there, 722, 753, 754, 777, 789, 793, like that different versions is there. So here, what you understand means, so here you see clearly means, SAP S/4HANA is supported higher kernel versions, 777, 777, 789, 78, 793, 789, 793, 789, 793, 793. S/4HANA is supported from 777, 789, 7893 versions. So remaining maximum they supported 753, 754, and lower versions up to below 740 and higher lower releases they supported ES2, EST 722. So based on your higher versions, based on your SAP release, it will be change the kernel version. So that's why before installing SAP software in company, they use product availability matrix. They check their for this product version which kernel is supported. So based on you download the kernel software before installing the SAP software. So kernel is the runtime environment to run the software components. So based on kernel only, your SAP software will be work. So before installation, you want kernel software. After installation is completed also, your SAP software will be work on based on kernel only. That is about kernel.